Good day. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 51. Calculate the length of the diagonal of a rectangular field which is 4 cm by 3 cm. A 3 cm, B 5 cm, C 11 cm, and D 17 cm. So we are asked to calculate the length of the diagonal of a rectangular field which is 4 cm by 5 by 3 cm. So let's divide our page to have enough space for calculation. Now this field is a rectangular field and it is 4 cm by 5 cm. Now this is our rectangle. So here is 4 cm and here is 3 cm. 4 cm by 3 cm, sorry. Here is 3 cm. So that means the length is 4 cm and the breadth is 3 cm. Now we are asked to calculate the length of the diagonal. That is, this is the diagonal. We have to find the length of this diagonal. This is what we're looking for. Now let's label our diagonal to be x. Let's label it x, or yes, let's label it x. So our diagonal, the length of our diagonal is x centimeter, which is what we're looking for. Now we have that the length of this rectangular field is 4 cm. So here also is 4 cm, and that the breadth is 3 centimeter. That's why you have 4 cm by 3 centimeter. So now how do we find the length of the diagonal? This is simple. Now let us pick out this this rectangle. Now if you see that this diagonal has successfully splitted this rectangle into 2 right angles. This diagonal here has splitted this rectangle into 2 right angles, thereby giving us something like this. Now we have something like this. So now we have something like this. This is the right angle. This is the right angle. Now this is the diagonal which we are looking for, x. X is the diagonal which we are looking for. This is our length, which is 4, and this is our breadth, which is 3. So we have to find x. This x here is diagonal. Look at it. The diagonal splitted this rectangle into 2 right angles. Now we pick one of the right angle for us to find the length of the diagonal. And for us to find the length of the diagonal, which is x, we must apply what we call the Pythagoras rule. The Pythagoras rule. The Pythagoras rule that says what? So we apply the Pythagoras rule. The Pythagoras rule that says what? The hypotenuse, for us to find the hypotenuse, which is our x now, is given as what? The hypotenuse square is equal to the opposite square plus the adjacent square. But here now, our hypotenuse here is the x, which is the diagonal, which is what we are looking for. So therefore we say what? To find x, we say x square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. So x square here, which is diagonal, represents the hypotenuse, and that is Pythagoras rule. Hypotenuse square is equals to the opposite square plus the adjacent square. Now x square will be equal to 4 square is 16, that is 4 times 4 will give us 16, plus, and 3 square is 9, that is 3 times 3 will give us 9. So now you have that x square is equal to 16 plus 9, and this is equal to 25. 16 plus 9 will give us 25. That means x square is equal to 25. But we are looking for x, not x square. So therefore, to find x, we'll take the square roots of both sides. We'll take the square roots of both sides. This is equals to also, we have taken the square root of x is equals to the square root of 25. Remember I say we'll take the square root of both sides. That means the square root of x square is equal to the square root of 25. Now this square root here, we cancel this square here of x square. This square root, we cancel the square of x square, thereby giving us what? Giving us x. And then, like we know, the square root of 25 is 5 cm. So therefore, the length of the diagonal x is equals to 5 cm. Remember, I told you that this diagonal splitted this rectangle into two right angles. Now we pick one of the right angle, which is this, and here represent the length, which is 4 cm, and here represent the breadth, which is 3 cm. And using the Pythagoras rule, which says hypotenuse square is equals to what? Adjacent square plus opposite square. Now this is our hypotenuse, the longest part, which is our x, the diagonal, is what we're looking for. So applying that rule, we found x to be what? To be 5 cm. And from this, A says 3, which is wrong, C says 11, which is wrong, D says 17, which is wrong, and B says 5, which corresponds to our answer, which is correct. So 5 is the length of the diagonal of a rectangular field, which is 4 cm by 3 cm. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.